In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Salesforce certification voucher opportunities through Trailhead, community groups, and certification days. To get started, open Google Chrome and launch a fresh browsing tab. Using a clean tab helps you stay focused and makes it easier to follow along without getting distracted by other pages you may already have open. In the address bar, go to trailhead.salesforce.com. This is Salesforce's official learning platform where you can explore training content, hands-on modules, and special programs connected to certification preparation. Once you're on Trailhead, look for the specific learning paths known as Trailhead quests. These are often published on a monthly basis and may be tied to promotional opportunities. The important thing to understand here is that completing eligible quests can sometimes automatically enroll you in prize voucher drawing cycles. That means you're not just learning useful material for your certification journey, but you may also become eligible for a chance at a registration discount or voucher. As you work through these quests, make sure you pay attention to the published requirements and completion timelines so that your progress counts correctly. Next, take some time to join local and regional user meetup networks, community forums, and related groups. These communities can be incredibly helpful because seasonal voucher distributions are sometimes shared through these channels. In addition to possible voucher news, these groups are also a great way to stay connected with other Salesforce learners and professionals who often share updates, study advice, and event announcements. When you're checking these spaces, look out for regional events, community campaigns, and limited time opportunities that may be relevant to certifications. After that, register for the official Certification Days preparation webinars listed across the 2026 season's schedule. These webinars are designed to help you prepare for Salesforce certification exams, and they can also be associated with fee reduction opportunities. As you register, make sure you use your correct email address and keep track of the session date and time so you don't miss the event. It's also a good idea to watch for any confirmation messages related to your registration, since those may include important event details. Finally, after attending the event, check your inbox